Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a berry and mascarpone cheese, like a coffee cake situation. This is so fluffy and delicious and just perfect. I am definitely a sweets girl, and this is like perfection. This with a cup of coffee in the afternoon. Oh my gosh, I love it. So, without further ado, let's get started.